Uh, One time for the dreamers, two times for the grind. You set in the spot, yeah, it's your time to shine. Freedom ain't a myth, it's digital now, let's go get it. Started with a laptop, vision in my head. Tired of the job, couldn't live in the red. Tapped into skills, now I teach the game. Daily pays the move, let me spark that flame. 2 hours a day, I ain't stuck on the...
What's good? What's good, family? It's your brother Yusuf. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. So today, family, I want to talk about right now, summer is over. I want to talk to you guys today about why now is the best time for Gen X to pivot into a digital income. So this is actually a blog post that I wrote. So I'm just going to kind of read this. So if I'm not looking at the screen, or if I'm looking at a screen behind the camera, it's because I'm actually reading this blog post. So I want to get more consistent with providing information on this YouTube channel to my audience. I want to continue to grow. So I'm finding different creative ways to actually create video content that's actually valuable for you guys that follow me here on YouTube. So what I'm actually doing now is I'm just kind of redoing some of my blog posts. Obviously, this is one of my most recent blog posts. Summer's over. Why now is the best time for Gen X to pivot into a digital income. So let's get to it, team. Summer is officially in the rear view. The kids are back in school, and those fun summer swipes on the credit card, yeah, they're starting to show up now. For a lot of us Gen Xers, the old solution was simple. Work some overtime, pick up a side shift, make it up before the holidays. But let's be real, that approach doesn't really cut it anymore. The extra hours that you trade for someone else's dream is one less hour invested in your own dream. And in 2025, with retirement even closer than ever, Gen X should not still be stuck in that cycle. I need you guys to understand why overtime doesn't work anymore. Excuse me. Back in the 90s, grinding harder was sold as the responsible thing to do. But now, that just leaves you drained, short on time, and further from financial freedom. Overtime might cover a bill or two, but it won't solve the bigger problem, the long-term problem. You're still tied to someone else's schedule, someone else's pay scale, and someone else's vision. And the cost? Less time for the family, less energy for your passion, and less opportunity to build a future that you've been dreaming about since, well, 1999. So it's time for Gen X to actually pivot. Right now is the perfect moment to pivot into something different, something built for our generation. Digital income, online business, skills that actually pay in today's economy. Fall is a natural reset button. While the kids are adjusting to new routines, you can set your own, one that finally puts you in control. With digital marketing and online business, models like Master Resale Rights, you can provide for your family without begging a boss for overtime. You work just a couple of hours a day when it fits your schedule. You keep evenings and weekends free for what matters most, your family. I need you guys to understand why digital marketing works for pre-retirees. If you're Gen X like me and retirement feels shaky, digital marketing is one of the fastest ways to create additional income streams online. You don't need to be a tech wizard, you don't need a huge following, and you don't even need to create your own product. It's about learning the right system, one that leverages automation, digital products, and attraction marketing so you can generate daily pay without trading more of your time. This is why so many pre-retirees are pivoting into online businesses in 2025. It's flexible, it's profitable, and it's future-proof. So here's your green light. If that little voice has been whispering, I need to do something different before it's too late, this is it. This is your green light. The next 90 days can look like a repeat of last year, or they can be the start of the financial freedom chapter you've been waiting on for decades. This is your choice. Final thoughts? Christmas will be here before you can say, where's the scotch tape? But this year, instead of staying up all night wrapping gifts and worrying about bills, you can finally be ahead. Holla at your boy. Hope this helps. If you are interested in getting more information right now, do me a favor. Comment the word info below this video and I'll shoot you some info. Have a great day. Peace.
With Yusuf, $6 to crank.